The DockNova USB-C HUBS 10-in-1 Guardian Edition is a versatile and powerful USB-C hub that offers a wide range of features and functionality. It is a great choice for people who need a hub that can do it all. Here is a summary of the key features and benefits of the DockNova USB-C HUBS 10-in-1 Guardian Edition. The DockNova hub has 10 ports, including 2x USB-C, 3x USB 3.2 Gen 2, 1x HDMI 2.0, 1x VGA, 1x SD card reader, 1x microSD card reader, 1x Ethernet port, and 1x 3.5mm audio jack. This makes it a one-stop shop for all of your connectivity needs. The DockNova hub supports high-speed data transfer speeds of up to 10 Gbps. This means that you can transfer files quickly and easily between your devices. The DockNova hub has an HDMI 2.0 port that supports 4K video output. This means that you can connect your laptop or other device to a 4K monitor or TV and enjoy stunning visuals. The DockNova hub has a gigabit Ethernet port that provides fast and reliable wired internet access. The DockNova hub has a one-key black screen protection feature that allows you to quickly and easily turn off the display on your devices. This is useful for presentations and other situations where you need to block out distractions. The DockNova hub is portable and stylish, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. Here are some of the pros and cons of the DockNova USB-C HUBS 10-in-1 Guardian Edition. Pros: 10 ports, high-speed data transfer, 4K HDMI output, gigabit Ethernet port, one-key black screen protection, portable and stylish design. Cons: expensive. Some users have reported that the HDMI port does not work properly with all devices. The hub can get a bit warm when in use. Overall, the DockNova USB-C HUBS 10-in-1 Guardian Edition is a great choice for people who need a versatile and powerful USB-C hub. It is a bit expensive, but it offers a wide range of features and functionality. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.